Hey, what's going on? It's been a little while since we've done anything like this. We're trying a new game here. I feel like I've gone through most of the tutorial. We're going through some silly stuff right now just to still like show the basic dynamics of the game. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start from right here and start the journey of this game. I enjoy it enough to see how long it will last for me. So here we go. We're gonna go ahead and do round 5. Okay. So now we got to use that recommended guide. Here we go. 3 plates. Goal 120 shells. We've got a new jelly. Coffee, boom, boom, jelly, we'll go ahead and plate that. Coffee, we'll give him an empty one there. Coffee, boom, boom, gotta drop 3 more. Here we go, there's 1. Give that guy a coffee. Here we go, drop 3 more. Blank, blank, coffee. Drop 3 more. Here we go. There's 2. There's a plain one. There's a plain one. And we crushed it. Nice. So what we're going to do is we're going to get that 30% more in coins. I'll be right back after this commercial break. Yo, there's a 30% bonus. I suggest you guys take that every time. The coins are going to make a difference in this pay-to-win game. Clearly, that's what's going on. I love SpongeBob. You know, it's nostalgic for me, but I do not care about the content and the context of this game. So we're just gonna go ahead and skip that. There you go. They're trying to sell you stuff once again. So and SpongeBob. 3 thumbs up, 5 thumbs up. We'll go ahead and drop our 3 there real quick. Customers like fast food. Okay, now let's see how many. Okay, all right, that's cool. Boom, boom. Empty. Coffee, jelly, blank. Coffee. There's the jelly. Go ahead and drop. There's another coffee. There's a blank one. Blank. Crushed it. Jelly. Beautiful. I'm enjoying I can see once you start adding and making Krabby Patties, like having to add onions and lettuce and tomato, like in a specific order. I can see how that's going to start getting interesting dynamics here. I'm going to go ahead and get my 30% here again. Thanks for holding on. Alright, as we finish that, we're going to go ahead and move to the 7th one, obviously. Oh, it said that we should level him up. I'm going to actually just play it. Whatever happens. 140. Let's go. Drop 3 there. So, sorry, I was getting really distracted there. I'm basically just tapping the coffee button over and over and over, and then looking at what these people are ordering. I'm gonna go ahead and drop 3 again, even though I know that it's over. It's Gucci. Solid win. I'm gonna go ahead and get my 30% again. I'll be right back. What a stupid ad. Oh my god. Alright. We're going to 8. That's what we're doing now? Hey, hey, is that a treasure chest? Leave me alone. Hey, SpongeBob. Yeah, I just don't want to read that, guys. Sorry. I just don't care. It's just not. Who cares? All right. Oh, we gotta buy some more stuff. Okay. Menu board. All right. Cool, man. Let's get our achievement. Not a big deal. Let's level them up, I guess. Alright, we're gonna do free play. We're gonna go ahead and take that 40-second ad. Guys, that was pure mayhem. Oh my goodness. What is this? What'd you give me? A Santa hat? Amazing. Amazing. Fantastic, bro. Great. Alright, here we go, boys. 260. Let's go, boys. I'm tapping the coffee cup. We're making sure that happens on the regs. Alright, we got a regular, we got a regular, we got a jelly. We got a jelly and plain. Picking these bad boys up. Continuing to hit the coffee button. Boom. 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 Here we go. We're still waiting on the coffees. These guys are getting impatient. I don't blame them. Boom, boom. Go. Feels good. We're getting our 30% again, boys. I do not care. I will sit through an ad. Let's do it. Bada boom, bada bing. Let's go, boys. The Krusty Cook Off. Give me a green star. I don't even remember what that does. Brings up more text. Oh my God, Grandma's cookies, man. Alright. That 3 cookies an ad looks good, baby. We'll be right back. Boom, boom. Hey, boys. Let's go. Grandma's cookies, man. Find Squidward. Stop it. Dude, I don't want to waste my cookie, bro. You're a turd, man. Why does that little kid need coffee, bro? That's not cool, man. That was a 4 combo. Let's go, baby. Crushing it. 30%. Here we come, boys. Devontae, passing you, bro. Peace. All right, we're watching an ad. Be right back. We just got hit with a rate us pop-up. I refuse to do it until I get a little bit further in the game, and then I'll give my initial review of this game at the end. I think we're ready to go ahead and go on to level 10. For every second, plus 1 serving dish for every 40 seconds. 5% on level complete. We're gonna continue with SpongeBob, dude. Here we go. 230's the goal. Alright, we got berries now. Yeah. Got it. Dude, I get it. Yes. Okay. Thanks. I think we're still rocking and rolling. Still rocking and rolling. Boys, we're still crushing it. Ooh, we went above and beyond. I was really trying to focus on that one. I'm sorry about my commentation. Hashtag 169, baby. Let's go. They're not giving us an ad this time. They're like, oh, this guy. Oh, that bastards. Those dirty motherfuckers were like, oh, we know you're going to watch this shit. We're not going to give you free shit anymore. Fuck. You went from a 5-star to a 3-star just like that, bro. How dare you try to fucking sneak an ad on me? Son of a bitch, bro. I'm not looking for Sandy right now, bro. Our main goal is 7 thumbs up. We're gonna rock it. Let's go. My man, why'd you walk that far? Oh, we fucked up. That's cool. There's a... Oh, why did we drop... Okay, we need to have been dropped that a hot minute ago. Alright, there we go. And jelly, we caught that back up. It's kind of a really bad mess up for no reason on our part. Alright, I think we're Gucci at this point. Yeah, dude. Super Gucci. Yeah, they stopped giving us free stuff, boys. How dare they? That's unacceptable. Let me click on your stuff. What do you want me to... They keep saying level them up, but I don't really have anything to level them up, right? This is just a way for us to, like, clickbait stuff, right? Like, pay $8. Yeah, this is clickbait stuff. How dare you do that to me? And I clicked it again. Look at me. I'm so great. I'm the best. Alright, 55 seconds. Now let's race against the clock. Stuff's gonna start getting more intense here, baby. Tapping the coffee. Give him that. Okay, somebody's gonna ask for a regular. We'll drop 3. Coffee's on the way, baby. No worries. Here we go. Drop 1. There we go. We'll go ahead and give you that. There is a yellow jam, or a pink jam, excuse me. Saw the shirt. Got caught up in it. Here we go. Here we go. Maybe we should have dropped some of those a hot minute ago. Here we go. We're gonna drop some more. A blank and a jelly. Gotta get those 3 in. Oh, we got 50. Oh, okay. The timer's up. We did decent on that one. Okay. Okay. I bet it's gonna ask me to buy a new Okay, hold up. Hold on 1 second. I want to check something out without being recorded, so hold on. Alright, so what I was looking at was trying to improve on my my building spots here, like putting a new grill in and adding an extra plate and a new coffee pot. I learned that obviously this is where spending the money makes a huge difference in trying to catch back up instead of grinding for coins. So this is a little bit eye-opening for me. I kind of figured this was going to be the case, but I didn't think it was going to be like per item. So that's going to be a lot of failure later without paying for it. So that's kind of unfortunate. But still a decent concept of a game. I like it. We'll see the recommended. We'll go ahead and do whatever it's asking. Okay, the main goal is 6. Boosters activated. Instant cook. So if I drop it, it's going to get cooked in the second. Okay. Amazing. There you go. Okay, so they just want to show us new ways of spending money on, hey, if you spend this money and get boosters, you can get really past this spot. That's what it means. Cool. All right. You see what they did there? Because I sure as fuck did. Amazing! Alright, not only did they just try to mansplain me how to purchase items when I'm sucking, they snuck in an ad without giving me the bonus. And then they turned around and threw more ads at me of like, hey, if you spend $59.99, you get this guy, and he gives you an extra bonus. So they're really cramming it down now. Let's go to spot 14, and here they're recommending Squidward. Don't have Squidward. They want you to spend money. Don't lose a customer. All right. Here we go. We're gonna tap the coffee per usual.